Okay. All right. Cool. Cool. Uh, where can I put this? Can I get rid of this? I want to get rid of scene transitions. I don't need it. You want it? You need it? You got it? You got it? Cool. Now we need to say. Can you see it? Okay, so hopefully you get to pick that up. Wow, I really messed up my OBS. I want it to the side. I want it to the side, man. I I totally jacked it up. Look what I did. I totally messed it up. I want it to the effing side. Whatever. Jesus. Alright, so let me see here. We're trying to build Serenity OS. Yeah, errors. Ooh, so we got we've got rsync, we've got qemu. Do we have Ninja? Oh, not net IRC. Yeah, it's usually a thing. That's what sucks too, is you gotta guess which one it is, but I'm pretty sure it's this one. And yeah, we have it installed. This is installed too. I have no idea what this is. Full feature template engine for Python. Okay. We definitely have this. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to see any of our files. Okay, it's here too. I'm kind of just, you kind of have to just guess because there's nothing for Gentoo Linux. I think you could just say without the devel. The devel is like a Ubuntu thing. So none of these are installed. Just trying to make it easier to look at. Okay, so the first one. Okay. I don't know. Why do I feel like I'm gonna accidentally leak my IP address using the terminal too much? Wait, Alpine Linux. Yeah, OpenBST. Man, I'd love to build this on OpenBST. I'm not ready for OpenBSD. Honestly, if I'm gonna use OpenBSD, I might as well get used to DWM. All the stuff I have would be like way too bloated for OpenBSD. Even this whole like i3WM setup and stuff. I have to remember to get rid of all these programs if uh if this doesn't work in the end. How many programs do I have? A bit. I don't know. It would just bother me to know that I have stuff on here that I don't really need, like random libraries and crap. Curl, yeah, of course I have curl. CMake, yeah, of course. Base devel, what is this? Arch Linux, libmpc, libc. NPD. NPD is for like music, I think. This is installed. Microsoft compression formats. Media transfer protocol. Yep, I have that too. I didn't know it was media transfer protocol. I just know that's what you use to get stuff from your phones. That's how you use your phones. You use MTP. You use the storage, so I have to install that. I think we could ignore that. This doesn't work. We're giving up. I used to be able to do it a while back on Arch Linux. Yeah, all these errors. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's okay. I just need to do it. I just need to like install Arch Linux on something and then try it. I was able to do it once. It was cool looking. It had been like a year ago. Serenity OS is really cool. I just wish it'd be something a lot of people could use. Like as much as at least as many people that use OpenBSD, it'd be like, hey. But I don't think it's ever meant to be like that. It's just like something for them. But still, I don't know. You can just see where Haiku OS went. Um, yeah. Okay, let me see here. Let me do. Who knows? Maybe I just need to restart the whole thing because this is an old folder. I did like a git pull and then rebuilt the tool chain, and that's just all I did. So maybe I just need to re-download the whole thing. That's probably what I have to do. Okay, let me see your prerequisites. Yeah, I don't think they're very specific in the beginning. They're just like, oh, get it. Okay, let me just could you hear my computer beeping at me? I love when it does that. Um, okay, so what did I install? It's part of my system profile? Okay, sure. Okay, fine. Let's not get rid of it. Yeah, I probably need to find a better way of A better way of removing stuff. Zcash, I think. Yeah, that was the first thing I did. Because it was like the errors are literally saying need Zcash. Or actually, yeah, this was like before it was even giving all those errors. It was just saying, "Oh, you need Zcash." That's how programs usually compile. Like they'll be like checking for everything and they'll be like, "Oh, you need Zcash." And I was like, "Oh, that's normal." But then when it was giving errors, I was like, "What?" Watch. It was like command not found or whatever. Or now it's not. Huh. Oh, this. See? So I was like, okay, I need Zcash. Alright. If I say... What? Oh, I've got to do this. Okay. I've got to update the system first. Which is okay, because I haven't done a merge sync. So that's fine. Let's see if we... Well, I was trying to get rid of space so I could have Borderlands, GTA Online, and this game that I got for free on Epic Games called Ark Survival Evolved. I've been wanting to get the game. Actually, I think I had a cracked copy, but I just hadn't ever gotten to playing it. Oh, it just reinstalled GMP. Uh, did I already have it? I don't know. Somebody's probably gonna yell at me or whatever. I don't know. What is GMP for? Uh, okay, so it's the first one. See, how do I know if a lot of stuff's gonna need that? No clue. No clue. Looks like it's almost done. Now we have an emerge step clean. Well, it's getting rid of that. I know that was the dependencies for one of the programs. I don't know. I don't know. All I know is that's 3 less than what I had earlier. Okay. I hate when that happens. Honestly, this was just happening on my laptop when I would when I had a high temperature on it. But I guess that's cuz I was just compiling stuff. 150 degrees is like a big it's like a high temperature for this thing. Whereas on my laptop, like 200's a lot, which is actually kind of bad. That's like 90 Celsius. But whoa, install on physical PC. Pentium 4 era hardware. I got Pentium 4 right here. I was just messing with Windows Longhorn. I'll eventually have the video out. It'll probably take like a week or two to edit. I don't know. I just recorded it like a couple days ago. I'm really lazy. Actually, I've been editing it on my phone too, which is kind of crazy. It's like I record on my phone. I don't know. I'm just like edit on my phone. Mm, I'm pretty sure I need like 60 gigabytes. You're gonna see like all my files. What about in here? Or var cache? Yeah. Okay, so sudo rmrf var cache dist files. We can emerge. Just like refresh that little thing. So hopefully that the folder's made up again. Yeah, that's where the games are stored. I'm pretty sure GTA is probably in here. Yeah, see. Then this is also where Borderlands is. Get rid of Amnesia? I don't know. I wanted to play Amnesia, but like I got it all set up to play the second level, but I really don't care anymore. I have a virtual machine, but I need something like... I guess I can get rid of Serenity for now. Yeah, you should be able to get rid of it. It's in my home directory. Yeah. I don't need root to do that. Hopefully not. Is that just a build sneedacity or... I think that's just a build sneedacity. I said sudo make install, not build the whole thing. Are you serious? Oh my god, it's probably building with like one core. Oh my god. Oh, cool. I didn't think it'd be that easy. Yay. But it's like I'm doing the same thing as my doing the same thing as my laptop. I'm like not gonna have any free space for much stuff. And what did I just get rid of anyway that magically made 20 gigs free? Did I get rid of Serenity OS was like 6 gigs of code and stuff. Did that really? Oh, I'm trying to remember. I'm really not a morning person, but that's when I have to stream. I'm so freaking spaced out. I can. Oh, that's what it was. I got rid of that. I'm surprised I don't get DDoS just from showing the name of the network I'm on. Because I remember one person DM'd me my address. I was like, oh. I don't even use odysee that much. I just want to have like I just don't want to not have an audio recording program. I mean, you can use OBS, and then oh, you can use FFmpeg in the terminal. Like I don't know. I guess if I don't really feel like doing something like that, then I don't deserve using OpenBSD. OpenBSD to me is just like really Gentoo Linux, but there's a charm to it though if you can get everything to work, because it's less bloat and stuff, and probably no no parts of the operating system take up like several million lines of code like systemd or the kernel. I would love to use OpenRC, but I've already been there, done that. Really annoying to get things going. Like programs I use to manage the fans and the graphics cards in my laptop. Actually, well, now that it has Gentoo, I don't have a program to manage the graphics cards. I literally just change the Xorg config. Uh, but yeah, I still have a program to do that. I had to use like a very specific version of Asus CTL because the newest version wouldn't work with OpenRC. That might have changed though. Basically, all you have to do is get a very specific version that would work, and then you would have the script that you would run at start that would run on its own at start. And what it would do is it would launch all the daemons you had to run that just weren't that didn't already have a systemd script available. I think we might actually have the script in here too. I think I called it Go. See how it's from March 15th, 2021? And I might, yeah. I used OpenRC with the Arctics, but I think long while back it was with Gentoo. That is not it. Oh, this is the actual script itself. This is like what would literally, yeah, OpenRC would see. So I would run, so it would run start the sh. This is still taking a long time to compile. That's a lot of stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, Asus D. That was the thing. And then, yeah, set the brightness. That was probably, yeah, Asus. And then this was so, that was so you could have Droid Cam work. So this is finished compiling. I guess I could look at that and see which wallpaper I used to have. That's cool. Okay, so how much space does need to see? It's probably like a couple more gigabytes. I saw this thing going up. I guess it must have installed. Yeah, user local, all this junk. It's like up to date. I think we can get rid of it. Yeah. Permission denied. I was so used when I used Bash a long time ago, it feels like. I used Bash and you would say sudo exclamation point exclamation point. But you couldn't do that in Fish, so I literally found someone's like little thing to copy and paste that makes it so you can still do that. Okay, so people get mad at the Fish shell, like hardcore people get mad at the Fish shell because it is not POSIX compatible or whatever. So basically, a lot of things that would work with Bash don't work with Fish, just because of the way they programmed it. So yeah, a lot of the cool little things you can do with Bash, like if I wanted to say export path equals blah blah blah, it'll give an error. So yeah, it's that. Because it has its own syntax, that's what it is. So I'm trying to copy and paste stuff from other people's things and it's not going to work because they're going to assume you're using Bash. Yeah, I need to move all of these to my hard drive. I want to have breathing space. I technically probably have enough space. I just want breathing space. Get rid of that because it's 0 bytes. I don't need any of this. I don't need any IPAs. This I can get rid of. I don't know. I'm like such a data hoarder. I like collect old kernel packages for Arch Linux, which probably isn't even can't even do anymore because I'm using Gentoo. Can't even use. Okay, I did try moving these to the hard drive. I just must have moved them instead of, or must have copied them instead of moving them. I'm gonna get to playing DT eventually. Let me just make sure there's no like update. The frame rate's probably gonna be terrible because one, we're streaming into the the temperature's all up. Steam Deck, freaking wish I have, but it's just not worth it. Like $399 for like a model with 60 gigabytes. It's not worth it to me. Plus, this one says faster storage. Not just, oh, there's more storage. Oh, well, I guess, okay, so they're like use a micro SD card slot. But aren't SD cards like slow? I never really understood. I guess people have been fine using SD cards for games, but I'm like, aren't SD cards like slow for that? Because I've used SD cards and they're just. Maybe it's because of the USB adapter I always use. Maybe that's why. I have no idea. Okay, so that finished moving. Okay, let me make sure there's no like update. Okay, and sometimes it has to like verify. What is this? Oh, like the Koreatown. Yeah, 75. That's cool. What's in here? User source. Yeah, that's right. Nah, I was like, I can get rid of this, but like, I'm gonna need space for 2 kernels. What's in here? Mega limited Telegram desktop. Okay, this I can, well, no, it's like 2. This is probably like the source code for VirtualBox, because I don't know. I guess something must not have been working right. Yeah, so I was still trying to get VMware working. I cannot for the life of me get VMware to work. It actually is really close. It like recognizes GCC, it recognizes the kernel headers, but then it just fails for no reason. So we need Heroic Games Launcher. I need to get rid of the app image. I need to just use the tarball. But I get to it eventually. Next time there's an update, because the tarball is actually capable of updating itself. Unlike the app image, you have to go grab it and then change the link in user share applications. You have to change it so it points to the name of the new app image. Or you could just take the version number out and it'll not do that. But let's see here. Hold on, let me drop my mic. Alright. Oh no. Shit. I didn't know it would tell you that. It only needs 50 gigs. Install size 100. What? Okay, we're getting rid of Borderlands. No, I can't even have Borderlands on the can't even have Borderlands on the laptop because that has definitely no. I got to get rid of Borderlands because I haven't really played it that much. I know there's more content to it once you beat the game, but I mean still. I guess because like one, I beat the game, so like most of the content's over, and two, the game's just kind of really jittery. I guess what I could do is I'll have it like I'll just use Windows and I can like install it to the hard drive. Because I've tried installing games on Linux to NTFS and they just don't work. I mean, I could try it, but yeah, no. As long as I keep my save file, I think I can back up my save file. I think I literally just say like upload games heroic prefixes, and I later go in and delete the stuff I don't need. How much is this? Not much. Not much. I don't need brightness CT. Hold on. It's for a laptop, really. But yeah, I'll install that and then I'll have shortcuts set up so you don't have to like type it in the terminal. I just hit the shortcuts and it'll like go up, down. Great, that's gonna take forever. It's only like 5 gigabytes at most, so it's not gonna like take up my. At least I don't think so. If it tells me I'm running out of space, then I'll know what. I'll just get rid of this because that is not gonna work. Am I even still gonna have enough space? I think I have enough space. Oh shit. Okay, so how do you get rid of it? Yeah, don't remove prefix. Okay, our prefixes should still be here. Let me see here. Games, heroic, prefixes. Yes, this is still here. How much space is this? A lot. I literally just played it for like 2 minutes. This I tried to get interested in, and I couldn't. That's what kind of sucks. Is like, what kind of sucks is like I wanted to play drop frames. What the shit? Oh, it's fine now. Oh, it's probably just because I'm uploading. Shit. I'm uploading like 3 megabytes a second, so yeah, it's gonna mess with that shit. Yeah, now I have space. It always wants to use wine. Wine usually isn't what I want to use. Except for Wolfenstein. I guess because Wolfenstein is such an old game, the New Order, it like worked better on wine than on Proton. I have no idea how that works though. I wish I could Steam. I'm just looking to get it to work on here at all. Oh, great. Can we throttle the... My God. I don't know. That's not changing anything. Jesus Christ, we are losing our freaking connection. I want one worker while downloading. I don't know, whatever that means. Still taking up way too much. Can we pause?